The room is dressed in golden glass. Another year is fading fast. Laughter lingers in the air, like we haven't got a care. Midnight waiting by the door, like we've seen it all before. Still it feels a little new, standing here tonight with you. So raise your eyes, forget the past. Let this moment always last. Here's to the night, here's to the years, to every laugh, to every tear, to all we lost and all we found, to every time life turned around. Here's to the dreams we're chasing still, to broken hearts that always heal, to love that stayed, to love that flew, and to the chance of something new. We've been wrong and we've been right. We've held on with all our might, made our plans and watched them fall. Still we made it through it all. Every scar a little spark, every light outshines the dark. And tonight we stand as proof, there's still magic, there's still truth. Hear the clock begin to chime, like a promise wrapped in time. Here's to the night, here's to the years, to fearless hearts and hidden fears, to every road we walked alone that somehow led us safely home. Here's to the fire we keep inside, to every tear we never cried, to who we were and who we'll be, and all the ways we're still not free. Hey! Let the countdown take its time, let it stretch this fragile line between the old and what's to come, like a softly beating drum. Hold your glass, don't look away. We're alive and here we stay. Here's to the night, here's to us all, to standing tall, to when we fall, to every chance we didn't take, and every risk we're bound to make. Here's to love in every form, to quiet peace and raging storms, to one more dance before we're through, and one more dream to see us through. So when the bells begin to ring and the crowd begins to sing, hold me close, don't let it go. This is all we really know. Here's to life, both kind and wild. Here's to every hopeful smile, as the old year fades from sight. Here's to us and to the night.